Hi everyone, this is Design Studio Ideas and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I going to show you modern window design. Windows are a very ancient invention, probably with the development of fixed and enclosed house. Representation of windows occur in early wall paintings. Windows were almost wider than they were high and were subdivided by little colonnettes. The devotion of ancient Greece to the house built around a court led to an almost total disappearance of windows, since each room was lighted by a door to the end central court. In Roman imperial times, however, the glazed windows first definitely appeared and fragments of glass in a bronze frame have been found. Among other sides, it is obvious moreover that the great windows in the both of room must have been enclosed in some ways in order to retain the heat. The general hypothesis is that the great clear story opening were filled originally with frames of bronze which subdivided the whole into small areas, each of which held a pane of glass. In general, however, glazed windows were very exceptional in Roman times. Marble, mica, and shell were most often used to fill windows opening. Windows became more numerous and were often glazed. Domestic windows were most often rectangular and were closed with shutters, lattices, or grilles. During the late Middle Ages, however, the growing cheapness of glass and the development of fixed glaze sash resulted in a gradual increase in the number of glazed windows and in domestic and civil buildings. Because the sashes were small, the desire for light and air was satisfied by the use of millions and horizontal supports to subdivided large windows opening. Initially, sashes were set only in the upper portion of the windows. Solid shutters were being replaced by hinged glazed sashes or casements, which lead to the standard use of rectangular opening in all buildings because of ease with which the casement could be framed in them. They were frequently decorated with an architrave and a cornice and pediment. Columns were often added at the side. During the period of these decorative windows, enclosures were often elaborately scrolled and ornamented with fantastic consoles, mosques, and human figures. Do you have that room in your home where you would love to have natural light but you need privacy too? Bathrooms are a prime example of where privacy is priority but bringing in light is as well. Consider a variety of opacity level for your window style. Transparent glass you can see straight through, while transparent glass is common in glass block windows in bathrooms. There are many window manufacturers that offer a variety of windows for your privacy and design specification. If you are in the planning stages of your home, consider the geographic location of your home and how your house will be situated on your property in accordance with the sun. Contractors alike will tell you walk the property when choosing design features of your home. You may not want to put a window wall of glass in a bedroom where the early sun wakes you if you are late riser. Similarly, look at climatic changes and seasonal changes for your area to maximize hot and cool temperature changes when the choosing the right window. There are no specific design rules when it comes to choosing windows shapes and size. Therefore, let your design side come out when choosing the perfect ones. Many architects like to play with voids and solid space on walls and place windows in interesting configuration that are appealing to the eye as well as take advantage of gorgeous view. Another consideration when choosing windows is how much heat can and lose through your glazing or windows is transmitted. Several windows manufacturers sell solar glazing that keep more harmful ultraviolet light from the penetrating into your home. We already know the potential harmful effect of UV light when outdoors, but the lighter can also fade your furniture and finishes as well. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.